Welcome back. I don't think there's a mother out there who hasn't experienced mom guilt, feeling like you just aren't doing enough or being enough for your children. But believe it or not, it could actually be a good thing sometimes. Welcome to author and women's career coach Elizabeth Pearson. She's sharing how we can embrace your working mom guilt and use it to our advantage. Thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Yes, it's such an important topic. I'm happy to be talking about it.
So tell us a little bit about the work you do.
Yeah, so I work with women, working moms mostly, but women who are in really kind of high stakes jobs, C-suite, executive leadership teams in male dominated fields. So you bet you that triggers some mom guilt when you have to leave and go on work trips or be away from your children. So I really try to help them kind of find this elusive feeling of inner peace and balance whilst trying to juggle both of those things.
I love that. Inner peace and balance. I think that's what we're all looking for. And you've got a new book out, Career Confinement. Tell us about what you discuss in that book, what we can pull from that.
It's really about trying to free women from these cages, if you will. And a lot of times these cages can feel like stuckness. You can feel a little restless. Maybe it's your job, maybe it's the town you're living in, maybe it's just feeling like you're slipping into this kind of mindless routine of the day-to-day. What this book does is it really gives you some tools and strategies to help kind of free yourself and really feel like you're waking up every day excited for your life and you're living on purpose.
Okay, and so tell us the ways that we as moms can use that mom guilt to our advantage. You know, I know it can be such a hard feeling, but sometimes it can bring some good into our lives as well.
Yeah, I mean, it can totally be a wake-up call. It was my wake-up call. I had a corporate job, 15 years in sales. I would get on planes and I would kiss my babies goodbye and I would cry as I backed out of the driveway. And then one night as I'm tucking in my older daughter, Delilah, I'm starting to cry because I was explaining how I wasn't going to be here when she woke up. And she just really looked at me with these, wide eyes of like, well, why do you have to do that? Why can't you do something you love? So it was this real wake-up call. And I realized I'm not getting away with anything. She's watching everything. And we can tell them they can be anything. We can tell them that they should live these full, happy lives. But if we aren't modeling that for them, they're going to have a lower set of standards for themselves. So I think mom guilt can be this really amazing wake-up call if you are able to kind of see it from that perspective. And then that can help you prioritize. What version of your child, of a parent is your child getting at the end of the day? Are they getting one who's short-tempered? They've been drained all day by work, so they're not as fun, they're not as compassionate. They're not, the ideal mom that you want them to see. And idealism, that's a whole nother thing, but just the best version of yourself. And then from that, it can really help you seek out some support. Get with some other moms. We're all feeling it. And I think just being able to share that and feeling seen and validated is huge because it shows that we care. All of this, if you're feeling mom guilt, it's because you're a good parent and you really care about your children.
Absolutely. And I love that you could actually pull from your kids. It's shocking at how much they absorb and they know and that they can give back to you, right?
So tell us. I think they're these wonderful mirrors for us if we let them be.
Absolutely. All right. And so tell us quickly, just as a working mom yourself, what do you do to find that balance? And if somebody wants to reach out and learn more, what do they need to do?
Well, first off, I see it not really as balance, but like a pendulum. So sometimes it's going to swing career heavy. Sometimes you are going to have to really double down. Maybe it's a busy time at work, but just make sure that pendulum swings back to self-care and being with your family. And then just make sure that it's always moving and not getting stuck in one direction. And if you want more free content or you want to check out the book, you can go to elizabethpearson.com. The book has tons of tips and strategies. So it's a great way to be able to kind of move at your own pace.
I love that. Thank you so much, Elizabeth, for your time. The pendulum, that's great advice for all of us working moms out there. We appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day. All right. That is all the time we have for today, but lots more coming.